and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Mariah and I make DIY videos. As you all can see from the title, today we'll be learning how to make DIY candle holders. It'll be a lot of fun today, but before we get into this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. You will need for this project is a bowl I found at Dollar Tree, a small candle holder I found at Dollar Tree, Mod Podge. You can get at Dollar Tree. I got this at Dollar Tree, but you can get a bigger one at Michael's or Walmart, any place like that. I'm going to use this, which I found at Dollar Tree. Some glitter. Dollar Tree was all out of glitter, which they usually have some, but I got this from CVS. Some pearls I found at Dollar Tree. Paint brushes I also found at Dollar Tree. And last but not least, you're going to need hot glue gun and hot glue sticks. Now, let's learn how to make it. While the hot glue gun is warming, I'm going to start with the Mod Podge, this brush, and the bowl. I already put a little Mod Podge, but don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. First, I'm going to apply the Mod Podge to the napkin. I found it a lot easier for applying it on the napkin onto the bowl. Okay, so now I'm going to add the glitter halfway through so that the Mod Podge doesn't dry too fast. Now I'm going to start the Mod Podge for the other side and repeat the same steps. Again, make sure your coats are evenly distributed. Now that I'm done applying the Mod Podge to this side, now I'm going to apply the glitter to this side. If you notice any spots you missed, don't be afraid to fill it in. Now that it's to my liking, I'm going to let it dry a bit and then apply a second coat. Now I am adding my second coat of Mod Podge. As you can see, I am softly patting the Mod Podge over the glitter. I am doing this because I would not like any glitter to move out of its place. So now I'm adding my second coat of glitter. Don't mind that spot, that's just the Mod Podge. It will dry clear. It's time to take a break while it dries. Hey guys, so while that's drying, we're gonna get started on the stem. So what I plan on doing is wrapping this around the stem. So I'm going to measure how big I need it to be. So about right here. And then I'm going to cut the amount I need. Now I'm going to fold it in half so it'll fit perfectly. Measure it, make sure it's the right size I want it to be. Yes, it is. And then I'm going to take my hot glue gun and put some glue right around the stem. Once you apply it, this is what it should look like. Now we're going to take the hot glue gun and glue the top to the bottom. Now the time has come to add the final coat of Mod Podge. Just like before, you're going to want to add a little Mod Podge to the napkin and apply the Mod Podge in a patting motion so that you do not move the glitter. This coat of Mod Podge is strictly only the Mod Podge. We are not going to apply any other glitter. This will set the glitter so that it will not get on your hands when you touch the item. This is what it should look like after you are done. Now it is finally dry. This is what the candle looks like so far. It is absolutely gorgeous. The camera does it no justice, you guys. Let's get right into the final step. So you're going to take the hot glue gun and apply the pearls to the top of the rim. Here's the final results. I am absolutely in love, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's beautiful. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this DIY, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.